In our case, we want to try to solve for r, and our equation of v is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. So let's see if we can go ahead and try to solve for r. So we want to try to isolate r here. Let's see what we can do first. We know that we have some constants here of 1/3 and also pi. Let's first multiply by 3 to get rid of that 1/3 on the right hand side. That leaves us with 3v is equal to pi r squared h. Pi is another constant that we can get rid of, and to do that we need to divide by pi. So we're left with 3v divided by pi is equal to r squared h, and we're getting a lot closer to solving for r here. Let's get rid of h by dividing by h, and this will give us, let's see, we'll have 3v, and then h pi is equal to r squared, and to get rid of the square we can take the square root, so square root. This will leave us with r is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3v, and then we'll have pi, h pi, and this should be our final answer here. Okay. For example number 2, we want to try to solve for y. So let's go ahead and try to isolate our y onto one side. Even though we do have multiple y's here, we can still take care of those. So let's try to get everything onto one side first. 2my squared minus ny, and then we'll have minus 3p is equal to 0. And if you'll notice, this looks kind of like something that we could use the quadratic formula for. So this could represent our a, this negative n could be our b, and then this negative 3p could be our c. So plugging that into our quadratic equation, we will get negative b, which is negative n, so positive n plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. b in this case is negative n, so we'll have a negative n squared or positive n squared minus 4. What is a? A is 2m, so 2m, and then c is negative 3p. Then we'll take that and divide it by 2a, which is 2m, and our final equation will have y is equal to n plus or minus the square root of n squared plus, because we have a negative 4 times a negative 3p, plus 24mp, all divided by 4m.